Sensitive, unfortunately, because deep in the ear, the bone near the eardrum, it's just skin on bone. There's no fatty tissue in
No,
between.
I see.
You'll be fine, honestly. Very safe hands. Okay. See half your eardrums.
It's making me feel a bit dizzy.
It can do. It's called the caloric effect.
Oh.
Just keep your eyes open.
Okay.
Okay, look straight ahead. When we vacuum in the ear, it reduces the ear temperature, and your ears regulate your balance. So because the left ear is at a lower temperature than the right, your brain thinks you're moving, but you're not. So it just takes a minute and you'll settle down. And it's just because we're working close to the drum. And I think at that very point where you said you feel dizzy, I think we just got the wax off the eardrum, so it's a bit more sensitive. But it will just subside. Keep your eyes wide open, fix on a point. So what you want to do is your eyes to correct your ears and tell your brain that you're not moving, because your ears think you're moving, but so therefore your brain thinks you're moving. So your eyes are just going to correct that. So probably the room's spinning at the moment.
Yes.
It'll settle. Almost done. Okay, I'm just going to use the big pack now. There we are, it's the big piece.
Oh, right.
Just take a look to make sure all that's out of your ear. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
That was quite satisfying, actually.
Was it in the end?
Yeah. Oh, that's so much better.
Yeah, all clear, so I'll show video.